In this video, I will show you how to sell a course on Whop. To get started, go ahead and open Whop on your device. You can open your Whop on the website or the app version. Now in here, go ahead and hit on that Start Selling tab at your navigation, and in here, just go ahead and click on that Create Your Whop button. In this section, you'll need to actually create the details of your Whop. Hit on the Continue button, and after that, you'll need to create your Whop name. It can be anything that you would like to use for your Whop name. You can go ahead and join the $3K in 30 challenge if you want to. Now after that, Whop will go ahead and build your organization. So in here, go ahead and hit on that Start Building button, and that will redirect you into your Whop organization dashboard. So on the right side, you'll be able to find the tools that you can use to actually customize your Whop, sell a course on your Whop, and that's basically how you can sell a course on Whop. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.